Welcome, here I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro and let me show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move up to the second from the left button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings button, so let's tap here to open them. And now at the second place we have picture size, so when we pick it, we can decide between these sizes. We can manage the quality in megapixels connected with aspect ratio, so of course you can pick whatever you need here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.